p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Farnstock State Park, or near Lake
State
Carmel,
Park.
moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Carmel around 3:50 p.m. Sherman and New Fairfield around 4:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for East Central, Orange, and Western Putnam counties will expire at 3:45 p.m. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern New York.